Yeah. Can't change that fact that it's just a bootleg, so maybe it will just it can be destroyed with some fake ones also. Okay, so let's try this one. Let's go. Let's have this first, the orange one, and then the next will be the gold one. Okay. Woohoo! Let's go. It's just destroyed, man. Goodbye, red. Okay. Oh. Okay. Now let's go. Let's try this one. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. I don't know if it can win. Because that orange is strong, man. It can really outlast all the babies that it fights. Ooh. Ooh. The balance of the orange is very nice. Let's just wait for a spin finish. Yeah. Ooh, the gold one. Okay, so let's have the gold first for the second round, and the orange for the last, for the second launch. Oh, the metal of the red one. Bye bye, red one. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. Ooh. The orange really wants to go on the center. Okay, who will go last? Who will win on this one? It's a spin finish. And that would be for... That would be for the... Oh, for the gold one. Still for the gold one. Yeah, so let's have the gold one first on the last round. Let's see if he can destroy the orange.